Italy. This beautiful and vibrant country in southern Europe is known for its rich cultural heritage, delectable cuisine, and breathtaking natural landscapes. It is home to some of the world's most well-known landmarks and attractions, making it one of the world's most popular tourist destinations. Italy is located on the Apennine Peninsula, bounded to the west by France, to the north by Switzerland and Austria, to the east by Slovenia, and to the south by the Mediterranean Sea. The landscape varies from the snow-capped peaks of the Italian Alps in the north to rolling hills and plains in the south. Italy is one of the world's most popular tourist destinations, drawing millions of visitors each year. The country is home to some of the world's most famous landmarks and attractions, such as Rome's Colosseum, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and Venice's canals. Other popular Italian tourist destinations include Florence, Naples, and Milan, as well as the Amalfi Coast, Lake Como, and the Italian Alps. The country is also well known for its beautiful beaches, particularly those along the Italian Riviera and on the island of Sardinia. Italy is the European Union's third-largest economy, with a diverse economy that includes manufacturing, agriculture, and services. The country is well known for its luxury goods, such as fashion, automobiles, and jewelry, and it also produces a lot of wine and olive oil. Tourism contributes significantly to the Italian economy, and the country receives millions of visitors each year. The Colosseum, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and the Vatican City are among the world's most famous landmarks. Italy is one of the world's most famous tourist destinations, recognized for its art, fashion, food, and wine. From the magnificent Italian Alps to the gorgeous beaches of the Amalfi Coast, Italy has something for everyone. It is a country with a rich history, great architecture, stunning landscapes, and a vibrant culture that few can match. Let's talk today about the beautiful places of Italy. Rome. Rome is one of the most well-known and historically significant cities in Italy. It serves as the country's capital and is home to numerous historic sites, historical ruins, museums, and cultural attractions. The renowned Colosseum, the ancient Roman Forum, the Vatican, and the Sistine Chapel are all available to visitors to Rome. They can also visit the many museums, art galleries, and historical sites in the city. Milan. Milan is one of the world's fashion capitals, and it is home to some of the most well-known designers and fashion firms. It's also a city rich in history and culture, with numerous museums, art galleries, and historic sites to visit. The iconic Duomo Cathedral, the La Scala Opera House, and Leonardo da Vinci's Last Supper may all be seen by visitors. Venice. Venice is a lagoon-based city famed for its romantic atmosphere, gorgeous architecture, and picturesque waterways. Many canals and bridges run through the city, including the famed Rialto Bridge and the Bridge of Sighs. Gondola rides around the city, visits to the Doge's Palace, and strolls through the colorful neighborhoods of Burano and Murano are all options for visitors. Florence. Florence is a historic city famous for its art, architecture, and cultural legacy. It is home to some of the most well-known museums and galleries in the world, including the Uffizi Gallery and the Accademia Gallery. The beautiful Duomo Cathedral, the Ponte Vecchio Bridge, and the Palazzo Vecchio are all visible to visitors. Sicily. Sicily is an Italian island famed for its magnificent landscapes, ancient ruins, and vibrant culture. Visitors can explore the many historic buildings and landmarks that dot the island, such as the Valley of the Temples, the Greek Theater of Taormina, and the Cathedral of Monreale. They can also enjoy the island's famous food, which is a fusion of Italian and Mediterranean flavors. Amalfi Coast. The Amalfi Coast is one of the most stunning coastlines in the world. It is a section of beachfront south of Naples that stretches along the Tyrrhenian Sea. Visitors can explore the various lovely towns and villages that dot the coast, such as Positano, Amalfi, and Ravello. They can also hike the Path of the Gods, a picturesque trail with breathtaking views of the coast. Tuscany. Tuscany is a region in central Italy famed for its rolling hills, gorgeous vineyards, and beautiful scenery. Visitors can explore the region's numerous lovely cities and villages, including Siena, Pisa, and Lucca. They can also tour some of the region's famous vineyards and drink some of the world's best wines. Italy is a very beautiful and diversified country with a vast cultural heritage. From its breathtaking vistas to its delectable cuisine, Italy has something for everyone. Whether you're interested in history, art, or simply relaxing on a beach, it is not surprising that Italy is one of the world's most popular tourist destinations. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to this channel for more videos on your next ideal vacation place. And don't forget to press the bell button. Thank you very much.